I've got my Thelma the Unicorn book right here. And we've got a craft activity called Story Puppets. So if you would like to make some puppets, you can use paper, some scissors to cut them out, some tape to stick them onto the straws or pop sticks so you can move them around in the scene, and some colourful markers so you can colour them in. So we've got Thelma there to look at, and then I've got my paper here, and I'm going to start a picture of Thelma. Hello! And hanging out with Thelma, I'm going to draw a little friend called Captain Comet. Now, all I've done to make this is cut some paper so that I can stick the two pieces close to each other. And I've got a little scene. There they are. Look, it's Captain Comet and Thelma.
Hello, Comet. It's me, Thelma. I'm so excited you're here. I've been running away from all my fans because they won't leave me alone. Just want to relax with my friends.
Well, I'm glad that you're here because I've been practicing a song. It goes like this. There was a favourite book of mine and Thelma was its name. Oh. And Thelma was the story. That's me. I'm Thelma. Am I your favourite story, Captain Comet? You sure are, Thelma. Oh, yay!